Welcome to another session where I trade the NASDAQ 100 futures live. I'm happy you tuned in and look forward to making this a profitable afternoon.
Alrighty guys, we're back January 24th, 2022. It's been a very interesting day in the NASDAQ 100. I'm going to get right to it right now. And we'll be looking at charts in just a moment. Just give me a second to set something up real quick, and I will go ahead and get started. Okie dokie. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay. We're back to another session trading the NASDAQ 100. Sorry, I am late today to the trade desk. I had a very long return flight back on a delay. So I got in super early in the morning. Really shitty flight, to be honest with you. Here's where I'm at. Here's what I'm doing right now. Okay. I've got one contract. I'm long. I took that little slinky trade to the upside. And I'll be exiting that trade pretty soon right now. But that's what I'm doing right now. I'm up a couple $1,000, based off of the signals right here. Algo, boom, took it down, and then boom, I caught that signal going up. I logged in just shortly before that signal, and I said, well, why not? I'll just go ahead and take it because the market's down a few hundred points from the high of the day. So I'm up like 2,600 whatever for the day right now. Not bad on that little reversal trade. Yeah, very crazy day in the market today. Exactly what I had predicted last week. What happened today with the market tanking. So, all right, I'm going to get rid of the P&L because, as you guys know, I don't like watching my P&L just fluctuate. Okay, so yeah, very nice. Caught the downside very nicely, and boom, right there. And this one right here, it was all in gutter territory this whole morning. Caught the trade a couple bars early, and then boom, went back up. I expect this to possibly hit this yellow line, and we'll see where it goes. But we're gonna be watching this together, guys. Right now, we're gonna see where it exits. Right here, right here. The other three algos have actually caught the trades quite nicely. Caught the downside, the first portion of the downside, the other portion of the downside right there. Let me actually just scale this so you can see it. Right there. Boom, boom, caught that little upside right there. Oh, shoot. Had to scroll down. This one's had a few good trades as well. So has this one right here today. Boom, caught the upside right there. And this one did as well too. Boom, pow, boom. So good day so far in the markets. I will go ahead and look at the COT report. We've got 3 more minutes for bar change, so let's take a dive and look at that. If you remember last week, I told you guys if it goes down below this, what was it, 430 something level, it's just going to crater, and exactly what I said happened right there. My filters, which are highly accurate, have not yet crossed the zero line. So it was an indication that there was more downside. Institutional money was outflowing from the last COT report right there. It was actually, there was no change. It's just flat. And of course, you know, we broke that support level that I posted last week. And this whole thing has just been cratering since. I am a little bit tired today, so I'm probably not going to go the full session until 3:30, but we'll see. If I get tired, I'll just probably end the session, but we'll see how long this continues to the downside. So let's take a peek right here. Got a few more minutes before bar change, so I am watching that very closely because I am long one contract, couple $1,000s, and I definitely want to lock in that profit for today. Hope you guys are having a good day. Ensol, welcome to the group again. Glad to have you. Hope you're making money today on this crazy day. We're still down 450 points. It's been a bloodbath today in the market, really. All right, guys, welcome to the group. I am trading the NASDAQ 100 live right now. These are the signals I currently have on the screen. I had a huge winner this morning. I did not take this. I was asleep. I actually just got on my trade desk minutes ago. Not minutes ago, but maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes ago or so. I did take this long. I am in that long right now. This is my position at the moment. One long, couple $1,000 on the upside, and that's the position I'm in right there based on that signal. So this caught it perfectly. This with the oscillation, unfortunately, stopped it out, and this one right here caught it 2 bars early. So there we are, right there, and just got a little exit signal right there. This caught the trade 1 bar early to the top. This trade may be fizzling out already, I am not taking any type of risk today whatsoever with this type of market, and as fast as it's changing as well, with 400 and something points down. No. This actually seems to be, oh shoot, what happened to my cursor? Boom, caught that right there. Boom. And this looks like it is almost fizzling out right there. Guys, for the sake of profitability, I am most likely going to get out of this trade in relatively short order. So I want to lock my profits and hasta la vista with this. Look, it already hit the high right here, and thing just kind of rolled back. I do, however, trust my 3 strategies right here, and I am highly confident that these are going to take me out at the correct price. So here we are again, guys. Another day trading the NASDAQ 100 futures live. Alrighty. Just get my stuff together here. I'll post this just here just so I could see it, because I am going to be looking for an exit soon right there. Okay. Welcome everyone again. What happened at 2:30 a.m.? Yeah, I was on a flight at that time, en route back to back home. Okay, so really sore today. Really. I could not get this up and running today at 12 noon. I really had to rest and chill out a little bit. But my wife, who happened to jump, who's been watching the markets, told me, yeah, everything's selling off, and I just couldn't resist. I could not resist. I took this long based off of this signal right here. This bad boy, this long signal there, and that's where I'm at. Oh, okay, his current time. Got it. Got it. That's right. He's in Taiwan. Yeah. Yeah. Hope you guys are making money today trading the NASDAQ 100 futures. All right. I just got to look here and see where we're at. Okay. Nothing's happening there. We just had bar change a little while ago. It's been a bloodbath in the NASDAQ today. Wow, 5%. Poof. That's crazy. Really, 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 really crazy. Okay. So that's it, guys. I'm just waiting for my signals. The Algo has actually performed really well this morning. If you can see here, it caught the downside on both trips down, and a little bit of the upside there. So I got a long, and a long on these three. So not bad. And I've got a long here and a long here. So I'm just going to wait for the actual strategy to take me out, and this will be it. Once I get out of the trade, I'll be done for the day. I'm not taking any other trades because I'm tired, and I'm going to go back and rest and do whatever. And tomorrow I'll be back at regular time, 12:30 Eastern time. But for now, this is the trade of the day here. What are you confused about, Ensel? Okay, take that out just for a moment. Aw, shoot. Don't tell me my trade station froze. Dang it. What the heck? Alright, I'm having some problems here at my trade station. It apparently froze for some weird reason. How funny. I hit the enter button. I hit the enter button and it just like unfroze. That is really bizarre. TradeStation has I have a love-hate relationship with TradeStation. Sorry about the dinging, man. My TradeStation froze. I went to click on a window, it froze, and I was trying to unfreeze it, and that's what the dinging sound was. And I finally hit the enter button. It unfroze the screen, and I was able to do what I had to do. So it was bizarre that happened. But TradeStation and I have a love-hate relationship. Sometimes it works great. Sometimes you just like want to throw the platform out the window. Ah, okay, you're long at 14.1. I see the problem. Okay. Well, look, you've got three really good AI-powered algorithms right here. This one got you in the long over here. And I took this long, so I'm long right now. And this is still long. So unless you actually get a signal to exit here or here, I'm not getting out of the trade. I'm still going to stay long until I actually get the signal. So I can't tell you what to do, but I will say what I'm doing. I am long this position right here. And let's see here. I've shown you guys. Ah, right there. So it's got net long 1 right there. Yeah, so I am still long that position right there. I've got a long signal right here too, and so I'm going to trust my algo and let it take me out wherever it takes me out and be done with the trade at that point in time. Yeah, TradeStation does that all the time, except the dialog window disappeared. Or whatever window it was disappeared. Just it's sometimes a real headache. All right. Boom. And there we go. It finally got out of the gutter zone down here. And it's moving up. All right, there we go. Ah, you know what? Boom, just got a signal right there. Look at that. Very nice signal. All right, guys, you know what? I am going to take that signal right there because I had a cross right here too. If you notice that, just boom right there. So, yeah, that's my 1 minute right there, and it's way, way, way up on top right there. That seems to be a good exit point for me. So hasta la vista, my friends. I got this. I'm going to sell this bad boy. Trade. Done. Out of there. Made $4,000 on that trade. Recuperated some of last week's, right? But who cares about last week? I'm not thinking of that godforsaken trade. But this one was a blessing today. This algo has been highly, highly accurate today. Right here. Boom. Pow. Right there. And also I got a crossing right here too, to the upside. Pow. Right there. See that? So I just want to take risk off the table today, being that the market is so crazy volatile today. I mean, let me just take a look at the VIX right now. Let me blow this bad boy up. The VIX is at 34. It's up 20%. That's crazy. And on a day like this, you could have a press conference come out of NATO, just like Bloomberg is flashing on the screen right now, and everything could just do an about face and go against you, and you are completely screwed. Yeah. Okay, so you've got a 14,132 level for his VWAP. Awesome. That's awesome. Let's put that there. 14,142. That's awesome. I'm just taking risk off the table now. I just don't want to be in the trade. I got that signal right here to get out, but this has a different amplitude setting right here, which means that you probably still have just a little bit more, but I took the signal off of here. You choose one and you go with the one that you feel most confident in. So I took it off here, and that's my trade. So here are these right here. These are still ripping to the upside. And you have these two. Remember, keep in mind that these two are AI driven algos right here. But for my taste today, guys, after a very, 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 very long night, and the fact that I'm tired, and the fact that the VIX is at 20, it's gone up 20% just in one day. There's a lot of volatility, but that's me. That doesn't mean that you have to exit your trade. Hey, Ensol, I think you're done, man. 14,100. If that was your entry price, 14,001, you're already at 14,134, man. So you're in the green again. If you don't feel comfortable with that trade, just take it off for a scratch. You know, I mean, you're already making money on the trade if you got in it at 14,100 on the long side. So what do you guys think about the Ukraine situation? Do you guys think that Vladimir Putin will actually follow through and invade the Ukraine? Or do you guys think it's nothing more than pure political posturing on his part to, with a hidden agenda in mind? What are your thoughts on that topic? Wow, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Huh? Boom. Okay. My thoughts on the situation is that we have a very weak president who has shown signs of weakness in a lot of things he's done. And I think that all eyes are on the U.S., especially our enemies, North Korea, Iran, China, and many others are watching to see if the president has the backbone to stand up to Russia in this conflict. And Putin might just be testing him as well to see if he's going to follow through with any of his threats. So he's got to do something. The president right now here in the U.S. has to do something to show some type of relevance going into the midterms later this year. So, it may be political grandstanding and just making a lot of noise that he is going to do something, but we're yet to see. He's got a lot at stake. There's a lot on the line, and the whole world is watching to see whether or not the U.S. is going to make a move. And frankly, whether or not this president really has a pair of balls to actually do something about it. So we'll see. It's going to all develop in the next few days or weeks. Who knows? Oh, absolutely. It's all designed to make everyone feel scared, and there's some type of agenda underneath that he is trying to accomplish. He may not want to invade the Ukraine, but he may want to create the impression he wants to invade the Ukraine, to score other political points, and who knows what those might be. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm sure the market's going to respond to this accordingly. If he withdraws or something happens, and we're yet to see the effects of all that, as far as how much this is going to impact the market moving forward. So it's all fluid. It's all developing, man. Day by day. So you got to keep an eye on. Definitely got to keep an eye on that. So this long is still going. This long position is probably going to go to this indicator. This filter here actually crosses the zero line. I took that long off with a $4,000 profit just simply because I want to take risk off the table. I'm tired. I had had a very long night, and that's really my trade for the day today. Boom, right there. And I took it based off of this signal as well, right here. Alrighty. Yes, very likely right now. I mean, the market's off its lows of the day. I think it hit a low of 600 and change, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was 600 and change, yeah. Shoot. Let's take a look. Yep. Let's look at the range chart. And I'm just going to really leave this up right now because this is the most relevant set of what do you call it, strategies. I can't even think because I'm so tired. That have performed exceedingly well, very, very, very well. And when I decide to consolidate, you know, it's going to be a choice amongst these and maybe one or two of these right here, which will happen in the next few weeks. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to leave this here and not play around with it so you guys can watch. Wow, you're using the hourly. Wow, okay. Yeah, I'm going to take a nap probably in another hour or so and relax a little bit. Wow. Very, very, very nice. Yeah, actually, get me one, yeah, because I am hungry. Wow, this is pretty amazing. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, today's way more crazy than last Thursday. Way more crazy. If you guys took notice on the daily chart I posted up on Discord, it completely blew through the cratered right through that bottom support level that we had Friday. And just like I had said, if it goes through that support level, it's going to continue going down. And said and done, exactly what happened today. Yep, that's right, man. It's been a very nice ride down for whoever got in on that short this morning. I wasn't able to because I wasn't here. Well, I was, but I wasn't here on the trade desk. My wife was the one that actually got me up and said, "Hey, the markets are melting. What are you doing in bed? Get your ass up." I just had a really rough night. And so anyway, whatever. Tomorrow will be another day. And I have all these headlines flashing on Bloomberg right now about what's going on in the Ukraine. Volatility is through the roof today. Through the roof today. It's at, the VIX is at 32. Wow. Amazing. Yep. This is going to be, I think, all week. You're going to have this issue all week long. Huh. Sorry. I just had that up for too long. We just got bar change right now. Very, very, very nice trade right here in this. Caught the first portion of the downside. Had a little stop right there because it fired off as a buy and then went sideways, and then the second portion was actually really good too. Now we've got this upside right here. Very, very nice. But I'm watching these right now. And this one. Okay, guys, I'm going to step away for just a quick moment to go grab a little quick snack, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. I had to get a little snack because I was hungry. So, okay, here we go. Very nice. Got a couple more minutes for bar change. 4 more minutes. And we are watching this live as the algos, this thing just ripped. Boom. Yeah, I'm already extremely sleepy right now. Yep. Okay, 3 minutes for bar change. nothing is going to happen here on this strategy. And I know because this filter is actually correlated with the strategy. And unless this yellow trace goes below the 0 line, +1 bar, it'll keep you in the trade for a while. This is the way I have it programmed. This generally always happens when it hits this center line right here, the cycle detector that I've got right here. These cycle bands have actually been really, really accurate when it comes to retracements and things like that. I just have it here as a visual, but I prefer taking my exits off the signals, which I did right here. Boom, got out right there. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. I am really exhausted. I am just going to shut this down, and I'll post copies, I'll post screenshots of what you're looking at here, all this stuff, in the Discord group tonight, so you guys could see where the strategy ended up getting you out on this one, and any other relevant ones right here, okay? I'll do that tonight. I just need to get some rest and get my head straight, so tomorrow I can be back at excuse me, at 12:30 Eastern time. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the afternoon. I wish you lots of profits, and just be cautious out there, guys. It's a tough market out there today. A lot of chop, lot of volatility, real high volatility, and with that comes crazy swings. So with that, enjoy your afternoon, happy trading, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow again.